Hey everybody, today we are going to meet some of the artisans and artists that work with the Riverboat Twilight.
That's kind of where I got the idea of doing the river map, because as a kid, my dad always took us out on the river fishing in Browns Lake and some of all the backwaters. It'll be pretty interesting for all the passengers to see the map, and as they're on the Twilight boat, they can sort of follow along and get a feel of the width of the river and the amount of backwaters that there is, and that there's more than just the main channel and as it goes through the towns. And I think it'd be really neat for the passengers. I hope they like it as much as I do.
I made a kaleidoscope because I took one apart when I was a kid, and so my curiosity, I finally started making them myself, and I learned all the skills of it over a period of years. I've had a number of them on the Twilight over the years, and one of them is called the Gypsy Cart, and there's another one I have that I've shown on the Twilight that I have two versions of, and it's called the Steampunk Elegante. And some of them have riverboat themes. You'll never see anything quite the same, even if you see it twice. And so it kind of adds to the experience of your cruise.
I've done work mostly on the Twilight, doors, molding, did work in the office. It was a bookcase where Kevin kind of wanted something over the top, ostentatious, so that's where we went.
What's the most satisfying thing for you when you finish a project, like something that's unique like the bookshelf?
Well, it'd be rude and crude getting paid, but...
Well, we hope you enjoyed meeting some of the fascinating personalities that work behind the scenes at the Riverboat Twilight, and we will see you on the river.